You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and it's Lucky Penny Shop slime time with Alyse. Hey, Alyse, how are you doing today?
Really good.
All right, so we haven't visited this slime in a while. It stays in this container, nice and fresh, but all of the foam balls have moved way up to the top. Check that out. Now, we promised you a few videos. What did we promise them?
The foam beads.
Yeah. And the stress balls.
And the stress balls.
But in our mission to find things for Easter, we thought, well, why don't we bring in some new stress balls? So we thought, why not some Easter eggs?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do today. All right, so I see. So you're just kind of picking at it. I'll stop talking. We can kind of hear the sound. Look at that. Do you miss the slime?
Yes, I do.
You play with it once in a while. I know that. Ooh, look at that. All right, what do you want me to do? You want to just keep digging in there? You want me to dump it on the table for you?
How about dump it on the table?
Dump it on the table. Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now we are going to put... Here, let me do it this way so we don't get any on the handles. Whoa. This turned out to be such a really nice slime. Mm-hmm. Easy to play. Ooh, look at the glitter.
Look at that.
Oh, whoa. Cool. That's out of the way. Yeah, bring those beads back over. I'll bring the camera in so we can see it. All right. Yeah, it's not that sticky, is it? It's still holding its shape.
Yeah.
Mainly because we keep it stored like that.
Yeah, it is pretty cold.
Yeah, it is cold. I'll agree with you there. Wow. All right, so what do we have for today's video?
Okay, we have these egg stress balls.
Ah, I see. Very colorful. So we're hoping that when we put them in, they will rise, right? Mm-hmm. Now, let me just put one on top, and you kind of see what happens. Work it in there and kind of push it in, and we'll see while we're playing here if it eventually will come up. I don't know. What do you think?
I think so.
Ooh, look at that. Did you see that? Did
Yeah.
the camera catch that bubble? All right, I'm going to hide another one in there. Here we have one that's got nice little shapes. Are you ready? Ooh.
Put this one over here.
Yeah, just like leave them so we can see them.
Okay.
All right, here you go. Next one. I'll zoom in so everybody can see it. Push them down. Yeah, that's good. Just push them down. Okay, some very colorful ones. I like how they stick.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to hit it. Ooh, move it over. Yeah, there you go. And then I want one right in that corner. Ooh, this way. Push that. Here, I'll get it.
Okay.
There we go. And then couple by you down there. Whoosh. Those got little birdies on them, huh? Mm-hmm. And whoosh. Oh, wait a minute. Look.
Oh,
it's starting to
yeah.
rise, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're not even paying attention. It's starting to work its way up. All right, last one. Whoa, missed. Not there. Oh, not there.
Oh.
No, that was just kidding. Let's
Okay.
put it right there. Push that one down. Okay, look.
Yeah.
So I wonder if we mix this up now. Let's kind of mix these up. We're going to put this back in our other container. And with all those other foam balls, we're going to do something a little bit different. Because what's been happening is when we leave the lid off, it dries too fast. And all the foam balls don't give the full movement to the top where it's like 2 or 3 inches. And it dries a nice little layer. And then this time we're going to try something a little bit different with cellophane over the lid. You'll still be able to see it. Hopefully everything will raise up. It's really starting to move up, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I wonder if we do that. Look at that. That might be cool. We don't know what's going to happen. It's more of a test video. So now, just take these all and mix them all in. And then we're going to move this back to our bin, put it in the time-lapse booth, and we're going to watch the styrofoam and the eggs. Let's see if you can find one. Go ahead. Reach in there and try to get one.
Ooh, found one.
Pull it out. Cool. It's like an Easter egg hunt in slime. Ooh, there's one. Oh, there they are. And look, it doesn't stick too bad. You can pull them out and the color shines. There's no issues there. Oh, look, now they're just showing themselves. Alright, so let's move this back to our bin. And then we are going to take it over there. And when it's all done, we will come back, everybody, and check it out. See how the video worked. There we go. Okay, off to the time lapse.
Okay.
Alright, we are back. How does that look, Alyse?
Awesome.
And what did you think of the time lapse? I just played it for you.
Awesome as well.
It was pretty how they just grew out of the slime.
Yeah.
And I bet you want to put your hands in there, don't you? And so do I. And see how the eggs come out. Alright, so go ahead. Why don't you just like play around a little bit and we'll touch them and see. Alright, so it's pretty stiff on top, huh? Alright, why don't you take one egg and we'll see if the slime... Oh, so that side's nice. Oh, and there's like a skin layer. Look at that.
Yeah.
All right, so peel off. It's like an eggshell. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that.
Oh.
You got that too? So it's been covered in plastic. All right, grab another one out of there.
Okay.
Oh, that's kind of neat. Hey,
Yeah.
we're peeling Easter eggs. All right.
Okay.
All right, poke around a little bit. All right, we're not done with this video, everybody. We have already made a slime video that's coming up called the Lightboard Slime Art, where Alyse made me 6 different colors of slime. And we have some leftover slime. So I think we're going to finish taking these out quietly. We'll be quiet. We'll take all the eggs out. Then we'll dump this out and then come back and put all the different colors you have on top of it. What do you think about that?
Sounds pretty cool.
So is this going to still, you think, work its way back in, the little skins, or should we leave them out? What do you think? I don't know.
We'll just put them in.
Put them in?
Yeah,
All
it'll
right.
be okay.
I'm up for it. So these didn't get ruined at all, huh?
No.
All right.
Still clean.
Yeah, and ready to go. All right, I'll let you finish there. I will stop talking, and you just pull the rest of the eggs out. All right, here we go. In honor of Easter now, we're going to mix in a bunch of her colors. Let's put this one back out. Okay, there you go. I know it's a really nice slime. And it's holding up great. Okay, there you go. Can you get that last little bit out?
Try.
Got it?
There we go.
Okay. All right, so make a nice little pile there.
Okay.
All right, so she made me all kinds of colors for another video, and all of the colors ended up being this really interesting brown, which wasn't sealed, so we're not going to put this in there, but it's really pretty colors, like bronze.
Yes.
All right, you ready for your first color?
Yes.
All right, so we'll just leave these piles on here, and we'll slowly work them in. Here is your blue.
Okay.
And then here is your orange. Yeah, I'll put it over by you. Here is your purple. And then here, this turned out to be a really nice yellowish gold. And then here is a red. Now this one almost looks overactivated. And here's another red. This one didn't make it on the video, but I like this one. You're going to have to remake a bunch of slimes for everybody.
Okay. Okay.
And then this blue, which didn't make it in the video. It's a little bit different shade of blue. All right, so just slowly play with that. I'm going to move things out of the way while you slowly mix things in. And while you do that, I'm going to start throwing some eggs in there, okay?
Okay.
Wow, now that's an Easter of colors, huh? Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I really like this gold you made. I know it's sad to see your slimes go, but
I will make more.
yeah, it gives you a chance to make more, right?
Yes.
Oh, look at this beautiful purple mixed in there. All right, let's let everybody study that. We'll take our hands out and just kind of... Okay, so every so often you gotta just stop, okay?
Okay.
That's why everybody can study. We like to study. Ooh, one more egg.
Yeah, the purple is my favorite.
It was?
Yeah.
Sorry, purple. Well, we wanted to say thanks for watching. We decided just to mix this one in.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully everybody has a wonderful Easter. I don't know when this video is going to go live, so have a great Easter, everybody. And thanks for watching. our slime video. And hopefully you'll enjoy the other one where we do the lightboard slime art, we call that one. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.